Hello everyone. As a part of the 8th School of the Month Challenge, we, the students of St. Thomas CMHS Attapanam, have chosen the topic Architecture and Design.
Here we are going to develop a prototype of a smart school using 3D printing. First of all, we are going to introduce ourselves. I am Eva Selvan from the class 7.
I am Gautam Shah from the same class. Let's check how can we make 3D model with CAD software. Here we use Tinkercad software to build our model. Our construction is over. Let's export. Now open the repeater host to export our STL file to G-code. Load the object we have made. Now slice it with Cura engine. Save the file. Now our object is ready to print. Let's try it.
First, switch on the printer.
Before loading PLA, we have to preheat. Set it into 210.
And also we have to preheat the bed.
And set it.
Now load the PLA. Now insert the card. And click on printing.
Now our room is ready.
Our roof is also ready.
These are the objects we have made.
And make it as a single object.
Now our construction comes to an end.
Now make it as a working model.
Our aim is to make the teachers know that the children are making noise.
In this project, we are using a sound sensor, beeper, an LED, and a 7-segment display.
Now let's connect these into different ports. We have written the codes for the program. Here, this is our classroom and that's our staff room. When the children are making noise, the beeper will beep and the light will blow.
Let's check how it's work. Hello, hello, hello.
Here
Hello,
the LED blows, the beeper makes a beep sound,
hello,
and the 7-segment display shows from which class the sound is made.
hello, hello. Hope you liked this video.
We thank our principal and the teachers who had supported us.
Thank you.
Thank you. Nana, just swipe.